Hello, Amogus. I don't know why I am uploading a video, but okay, I guess. I have a very good and handsome bot and I see many people asking on how to make it. So instead of telling people like 10 times, I am just gonna make a video, and when someone asks, just show this video to them. I apologize for the bad quality cause it's a text to speech converter, but are kinda sussy though. Okay, then let's start. We are gonna be using repl for making outbot. Repl is a completely free website where you can code and run in your bot. You can also use Visual Studio Code. If you want a tutorial on how to do the setup process on Visual Studio Code, then wait for the next video, if I upload it, that is, sussy baka. So now let's talk about the languages. There are 4 different types of languages where you can make your bot. There are as follows: BDFD, AUI.js, Discord.js and Discord.py. We are gonna be using AUI.js as it's the simplest. Let me explain the other languages. BDFD is pretty similar to AUI.js, but its main drawback is that it isn't free. There are many functions where you have to pay and it does not have voice channel capabilities, so making a music bot on BDFD is impossible. Next, Discord.js. It is the most popular language for making bots, but as I am still learning it, I won't make a video on it anytime soon. Next, Discord.py. I am still new to Python, so I am gonna learn Discord.py after I learn Discord.js. So firstly we will open discord.com/developers/applications. I will provide the link in the description below. So we will now open it, if I can type, that is. So now, click New Application and then give your bot a name. And then give your bot a profile picture, which isn't necessary, but it will make the bot look good. Now, click Add Bot and then click Yes, do it. Then it will automatically generate the profile picture and the name which you gave before. Then you will find a button called Copy. This will copy your token, which will be very important later. Now, you need to enable both of the intents. This will be required if you want to make a welcome command. Now, go to repl and create a new account. Then click Create New Repl and then select Node.js as the language and name it whatever you want. Then click Create Repl. Now, go to GitHub. I will provide the link in the description below. Now click index.js and then copy the code. Come back to repl and then paste the code in index.js. Next, copy the commands thing and then click the create folder icon and then paste that. Next, copy the views text and then click the create folder icon and then paste that there. Now, copy the index.html thing and then beside views click the 3 dots and click create file and then paste that there. After that, go back to GitHub, go back and then click views, then click index.html. Then copy the code, go back to repl and then paste the code in index.html.
Then click Run. Now wait for a while, and after it's complete you will see 2 new files, package.json and package-lock.json. Now, click the lock-like icon. Then, add the key type token in all caps and then go back to Discord developer portal and then click copy token and then go back to repl and then in the value paste the token and then click add new secret. Do not share this token with anyone as they can edit your bot with the token. I am showing it in the video as I will delete this bot later. Now, click stop and then click run again, then head back to Discord developer portal. There, click OAuth 2 and check bot and applications.commands. After that, give the necessary permissions and then click the copy button. After that, open a new tab and then paste the link and then select the server where you want to invite your bot, then click continue, authorize, then check the I am human. So now comes the prefix part. There are two ways of setting prefixes. First is doing it manually and second is assigning a variable. I would recommend the variable way, as this is required if you want your bot to have a changeable prefix. So I am going to assign a variable by calling bot.variables and then round brackets, then curly brackets. Then I am gonna name my variable prefix and then set the value in double quotes as. Now in the prefix part, change it to $getServer prefix and then after the client ID type the same client ID but with an exclamatory mark so that you can use your bot by pinging without using a prefix. So now that we are done with prefix, head back to Discord where you added your bot. As you can see that our bot is online. If you have done everything correctly till now, you should have your bot online as well. Now if I type the prefix and then ping, as you can see the bot responds, so congrats. You have created your first bot, probably. So now that we are done without bot, it comes the hosting part where our bot can be online 24/7. It is very easy and free to do. Simply, open a new tab and then open uptimerobot.com and then create a new account. After you have done that, click Go to Dashboard and then click Create New Monitor, select type as HTTPS and then delete what's already there and paste the URL and click Create twice. So, congrats. You have created your own bot which runs 24/7 without using Bot Ghost. So we are done without video. I have provided all of the links required in the description below, and if you get any error in the code, simply join our Discord server which will also be given in the description below. Next video I show you how to do the setup and hosting process in Visual Studio. So, goodbye.